without my control. Alright, I little bahasa Alright, so we're gonna figure it out, Bang Hairul. Don't worry. Know what? Yes. Yes, that's good. Bang Akmal, you have to understand little by little. We are gonna start little by little, and then we're gonna improve every day. Bang Akmal, watch my live stream. We are gonna practice here. Okay? Bang Akmal, ask me question, and I answer. Yes, you guys here taught me bahasa Indonesia, and now it is my turn. I am gonna teach you bahasa Inggris. Yes, if you shout in Indonesian, no one will know what you're shouting. Yes, exactly. Yes, that's true. Exactly. Patrick, what are you saying, Patrick? Apa Patrick? What are you? Tuba, when you will come to Malaysia again? So Farid, I never been in Malaysia. But when am I gonna go to Malaysia? I don't know. But I really want to go to Malaysia. I nak ke Malaysia, yes. Exactly. Marabana Sasan. Wow, Bang Akmal. No, marhabana says. Bang Akmal, no bahasa Turki. Bahasa Inggris. Let's go, one more, again. Try. Come on. Speak Korean. 안녕하세요. That's it. That's all I know. No, that's not all I know. But guys, do you guys know? I started feeling insecure about my Korean. You know? I don't know why, but now I can't, because I don't speak in Korean anymore. So my Korean getting down, getting worse, getting bad. So that's why I start feeling insecure about my Korean. Your Korean is so good. No, you have to practice with more Korean. Yes, exactly. That's what I'm saying. But this is not just like practicing on TikTok or something. I have to do something about it, you know? I have to find like something to make me keep it up, to make me, yeah, something like that. Are you Turkish or English, Tuba? I'm definitely not English. If I would be English, I would have the British accent. So, but I don't. I have. What is my accent in English? What is it? You see, when I turn like that, langsung ada ininya. So we're just gonna be like that. Exactly. No, Bang Rahmadi, you are okay. I am kurusan because I started gym. Do you? 어떻게 지내세요? 잘 지내고 있습니다. 알리 씨, 잘 지내고 있어요? No, I don't speak in Turkish. How do you learn Turkish? Do you guys want to learn Turkish? Should I teach you some Turkish? Yeah, but so yes, of course, guys. There are so many people inviting me, so let's. For what? For basically for nothing. Coba, wait. This time I feel you will win. Really? Really? I was like so happy. Really? Why am I not more okay? Oh my. Oh my. Tuh. Tuh. Apaan sih? Wait, coba kita. Wait. Wait, okay. Aku coba restart ya. Guys, coba nunggu aku di sini 200 orang. Minta tolong nunggu. Aku coba off terus on lagi ya. Sebentar. Going to invite Penyu.
Tuba. Aku tahu gimana. Sekarang tadi aku juga kamu coba. Kalau kamu lihat sini, kamu sedang live. Kamu jangan klik off live. Kamu cobanya sini. Kamu hapus semuanya.
Iya, Tuba tadi.
Nanti kamu klik lagi.
Iya,
klik
sudah.
sini. Belum. Tadi kamu off.
Iya. Off, iya.
Bukan off, gak off.
Oke, yang itu. Coba dulu ya.
Coba sama akunya, cobanya. Coba.
Ya,
Coba.
wait.
Yes, coba. Gak tahu boleh atau enggak.
Oke. Back.
Coba Bikai.
Ikut ah.
Masih error aku gak tahu. Coba nah. Aku juga kosong. Aku juga win kosong. Gak ada win.
Ya,
Kalau kamu turun.
Tadi Tuba ada 16 win. Tiba-tiba kalah, turun.
Turun tapi gak off. Hanya di sendiri aja.
Iya.
Aku tadi juga error.
Ya udah aman kayaknya ini.
Iya.
Makasih ya Penyu.
Gak apa-apa. Aku bisa bantu aku sih. Tadi aku cari kamu. Untuk
Oh iya, kenapa?
bilang kamu coba.
Oh gitu. Ada orang Arab ini. Ana la أتكلم العربية. Right now Amal is proud of me.
Aku juga mau besok. mau belajar.
Iya.
Coba deh, coba. Sedang ada river.
Triple guys.
Kalau sekarang aman, kalau nanti kamu gitu, kamu sama. Tadi aku say.
Ya, ya.
Jangan off. Hanya hapus.
Oke.
Error aja.
Siap.
River.
Kali 3 guys. Gelang-gelang tongkat-tongkat. Teman-teman.
Rivernya, coba nah.
Make Amal moderator. Yes, bro. Amal moderator mana? Amalku. Tanteku. Coba.
Ya Nabi, ya Rasul.
Star comment. What is that? Confirm.
Evita, thank you for 30.
Like the comment, Amal. Comment. Yes, dear moderator.
And blessings shine from Allah.
Salam.
Ya Habib,
Waalaikumsalam.
خير الأنام.
Terima
Guide
kasih.
our hearts,
Sama.
hold our hands. You are the light that
Aman tuh bang, aman.
Aman.
and the stars so high.
Kamu sedang di Turki?
Hope in times of
Iya. Ini temanku nanya lagu namanya apa?
mercy true.
Hah?
Lagu nama ini apa?
Ya Nabi ya Rasulullah, tapi cari sangat susah. Aku masih gak tahu siapa nyanyi lagu sini.
Oh, katanya.
Aku mau belajar lagu sini.
Oh iya.
Iya. Tapi masih gak tahu siapa nyanyi.
Nasyid, iya.
Oh my god.
Penyu tau nggak? Mama aku katanya dia suka dengar video nyanyi kamu.
Hah? Mama kamu?
Iya.
Wow, makasihnya. Aku kirim mamanya, makasihnya. Makasih suka suara aku. Aku gak tahu, tapi di rumahku banyak orang tua dan orang muda. Iya, ayah bunda banyak di sini.
Iya.
Selalu menonton.
Sampai Turki. Nerelisin Türk'üm. Teman-temanku, guys, teman-temanku.
Bukan.
Madong guys, Monikon guys.
Muhammad
Ya Nabi, ya Rasulullah.
Ya Nabi salam alaika. Ya Rasul salam.
Bukan. Nah.
Indonesia aja. Ya Nabi.
Coba satu sini tuh. Coba nanti kamu undang orang lain coba. Mungkin gak error lagi nah.
Snipe. Yes.
Penyo.
Tidak. Yes.
Oke tuh bah, bye-bye-nya.
Kasih Penyo.
Oke, see you.
See you.
Coba.
Kata Nia keren. Ya Nabi salam alaika. Ya Rasul salam alaika. Kata Nia good snipe. Yes guys, where we were? Oh wait, Kak Panda invited us. Kak Panda udah tidak ada. Guys, share dan tap. Amal, you're a good moderator, huh? If I knew that, I would make you moderator 2 years ago. Kapan dah kuat? Ya ampun. Okay. أنا من تركيا and wait, let me use the translate. May God prayers and peace be upon our Prophet Muhammad and all his family and community. Syukran. Di sana pagi tuh bah? Enggak, jam 6. Wait, teman-temanku, love orange kita kok turun? Guys, our love orange turun guys. Our love orange turun guys. Tidak. TikTok lagi error, iya itu kelihatan. Ya Nabi salam alaika, ya Rasul salam alaika. My voice. Banyak yang love orange turun. Iya. Makanya guys, love orange guys. Everybody love orange. Udah dingin ini. Önce nasıl öğrendim şekilde. Oh, terima kasih yang love orange. Thank you guys. So many people coming inside. Thank you so much everyone who sent me love orange. Join my team. Thank you. You guys are the best people ever on this earth. Jadi guys, ada apa? Coba cerita. Tell me some stories. Let's gossip. No gossip haram. Just talk about each other. Tell me about yourself. What do you like? Kaç şu an 4. Tuba kok sendirian. Zevkler ve renkler tartışılmaz diye düşünüyorum. Sendirian karena aku sama imagination pacarku. I choose this way. Oh my god, I am so not okay. I think am I getting crazy? Saya lagi sakit tuh pada kata Bang Hairul, kenapa sakit? Semoga cepet sembuh dong. Banyakin minum air putih. I am in Turkey. Yes, I am in Istanbul currently. Sembuh itu artinya apa ya? Nggak tahu. Cepet sembuh ya Bang Hairul ya. Di sini, sorry, di sana jam berapa? I don't understand what that means. Can you please comment in English? Thank you so much. Di Indo sekarang jam 10. What does that mean? Can you please comment in English? Thank you. Suara apa tuh, Tuba? What does it mean? I seriously don't understand what you guys are saying. So can you please comment in English so that I can also understand? Terima kasih tuh, sama-sama. Kalau gitu Turki ngomong bahasa Indonesia sama siapa tuh? What do you mean? I seriously don't understand your language. Can you please comment in English so that I can understand? What is the time there? It's 6:04 at night. I mean, it's gonna be night after 2 hours. I mean, it's like afternoon. When is the next vlog, Tuba? It's gonna be on, inshallah, on Tuesday. Let's see. So I decided to post every week on Tuesday, or is it better if it's Saturday, or is it better if it's Tuesday? I don't know. So let's see. Tuba. Yes. Tuba introduce a Turkish guy. Oh, you want a Turkish guy? Wool? I have many friends. I introduce one to you. What do you say? Ka Aisha, please Loforen. Tuba or Tuba? Tuba. Yes, that's right. Hello, I'm from Indonesia. Hello, I'm from Turkey. When is the next vlog, Tuba? Mama Zain Mariam, I answered that question twice. You're very good. Thank you, Owl. It's your heart. You and your heart more beautiful. Yeah, so how is life going, guys? What is your Instagram name? It is the same name as my TikTok. Tug Kiara. Tug. Kiara. Türkiye'de saat kaç? Türkiye'de saat 6. Yani bunu Türkçe'ye gidip Google Translate'ten çevireceğine gidip Google'a Türkiye'de saat kaç diye yazsan çıkmıştı karşıya. İş olsun. You're always looking beautiful too. Thank you so much. It's your eyes beauty that is seeing me beautiful. Tamam. Evet. Welcome salam. Thank you. She is who? Tuk itu what? Tuba makin chubby. What does that mean? Oha, iki bak bloklarım seni ha. Are you not going to Indonesia? I will, inshallah. I will. But I still need some time. Oh, this here, I could take an amazing picture from my Instagram. Like that. That would have been good. If I had a friend here in front of me, she would take my pictures. That is a shout out for Amal. Amal, if you're watching this. Where do you live now? In Istanbul. When will Tuba get married? When I find the one. It's quite hard. Quite hard. Monday, welcome Monday. That's your favorite angle, right? Exactly. Yes, true. But lately, I kind of also like this angle. Kinda. I don't know. Kinda. Might be. Hai, bukan siapa, ini bukan siapa-siapa. Oh no. Di Turki. Yes, I am in Turkey. Angle kiri kanan. I mean, I quite like this angle, but I also like this angle, but I would prefer this one. So, yeah, I'm kind of getting sleepy. I don't know. Lo foreign yang baru masuk. I got hungry. Should we live stream on Instagram? Should we? Should we move to Instagram? Not really in the mood to live stream on TikTok right now. I'm in the mood to live stream on Instagram. Pose left or right is the same. Thank you so much. But they're not the same, exactly different. See? Like that. Like that. Like that. Show me a dimple smile. I don't have dimples. Good. I don't have it. No, but I mean, it would be cute, like. Just should we? Can we? It would be cute. Do you miss someone? I kind of miss Amal. I hope she's not watching this. I kind of miss Amal. And not someone, but I miss Indonesia. Unfortunately, I cannot go there yet. Yeah. You are very beautiful and I never get rid of it again. Oh, thank you so much. That's such a compliment. Of course you miss Indonesia. Wow. That was very polite. Why you try to visit Malaysia? I nak ke Malaysia. I want to go to Malaysia. But when? Belum tahu. I'm sure Indonesia misses you, Anam. Are you in Turkey now? I'm in Turkey. We don't call it Turkey anymore. We call it Turkey. I know you miss Indonesia. Indonesian boy also. What boy? What boy? You guys. Are you fluent in Indonesian or not at all? You wanna hear my Indonesian? You want to listen to my Indonesia? My bahasa Indonesia you want to hear? When did you go to Indonesia again? When am I gonna go to Indonesia again? I still need some time. Sorry. I still need some time, but we're gonna see. Let's see. Have you been to Bursa? Not quite. I mean, I remember I've been there, but I don't remember how it was. I was probably too young. How to send picture on TikTok, because I also don't know. I don't use TikTok other than making content or live stream. I don't use TikTok other than my feet hurts. Good for you. Try new experience in Malaysia and challenge. So, okay, thank you. You're welcome. So, what are the different? Yes, finally they open. Finally. Yes, you see, we are getting bright. Aduh. Hey, sunroof. Finally, we're getting brighter. Taxi, welcome taxi. So, jangan lupa lo foreign yang baru masuk ya. So, Tuba is are you? In English, please don't use my name. Say you or I, you or I. You are on a holiday from college. No, I cuti my college. I think you hate bahasa now. Of course not. Hanya, you're just being too dramatic. Okay? I am thinking about your good, and I am here practicing my English and also your English here. So please do not be too dramatic. If you don't like that, you may leave as well. Thank you, Tuba, for reading my comment. Of course. Wait, what the frick? Ugh, shoot. My phone kind. Ugh, someone is inviting me, but I don't think. Don't be angry, Chantik. I am not angry. I just don't like the way you comment. It's not polite at all. Yeah. I just answer you the way you talk to me, so. You chiti today. I chiti semester. You're so nice, girl. I am nice to the people who are nice to me, and I am not nice to the people who are not nice to me, because that's how you survive in this world. I mean, I try to be nice as much as I can, but yeah, that's this. Watch out, glasses fall. No. No, it's hard to fall. It's hot for it.
I got. Okay.
Yes. What did you say something to me? Did you ask me something?
Yes, I asked you about. I see you everywhere, but not at home.
Yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday I live stream at home.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because
right now?
in Turkey it's 6:28.
Oh, 6:28 because it's so light. I have
I live stream
8:30, and
where are you now? You were in Thailand the other day.
No. Right now I'm in Kazakhstan, in Almaty.
Oh, okay. So I live stream outside lately because I started gym.
Huh? Ah,
So yeah, after gym.
wow. That's very great. Thank you, Pilot. Guys, everybody free roses, two roses. Two roses, we need two roses.
Ini sore guys di sini.
Guys, everybody, we need two roses, two roses, two roses. Guys, everybody. Thank you. Last rose.
Guys, semuanya posting ulang ya. Everybody share the live.
Guys, everybody, we need last rose, last rose. Guys, everybody, one rose. Guys, everybody, we need one rose, last rose. Oh. Yes. Perfect. Thank you, Boris. But
They got the
happy
triple guys. Triple guys.
Thank you. Guys, everybody right now have triple, triple, triple. Triple, triple, triple, triple, triple. Guys, everybody right
Bang
now
Abe,
have triple.
welcome.
Very beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, everybody, please, please, right now have triple. Let's go right now to try and win.
Makasih Bang Abe. Thank you.
Very beautiful. Thank you.
Let's go Kak Tania.
Guys,
So you-
triple, triple, triple. Right now have triple.
You live in Kazakhstan.
Yes, yes. Right now I live in Kazakhstan. Usually.
See you again Tuba. See you.
Guys, triple, triple, triple. Right now have triple. Last and second for triple. Guys, everybody.
Bang Abe, apa kabar Bang Abe?
Everybody, everybody. So welcome. Happy fitting. Thank you, Pilot. Kitas. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, if you want to talk with Tuba, you can go to her side. He only with me. No, Zam, right now I already come back to Kazakhstan. I'm in Almaty. I'm in Almaty. Stop, you don't see difference between right now I use camera. You don't see difference between camera and okay.
Oh, you're using your camera right
Guys,
now?
everybody. Yes, right now I use camera. Guys, everybody, guys, the glow. Right now has the glow, guys, everybody.
Nice. Kita ada seru nggak ya?
Thank you, Pilot.
Ada seru nggak ya? Seru nggak ya? Seru nggak ya? Seru nggak ya? Seru nggak
Guys,
ya?
everybody. Guys, last 1 second. Guys, we need snipe. Guys, snipe, guys, everybody. No.
Nice.
0-1. Okay, let's go one more time. 0-1. Okay, so happy fitting. Guys, everybody please double tap the screen to tap. Double tap its like and we don't need lots of likes from you guys. Everybody, let's go now together. Double tap.
Tap player. Teman-temanku. Tap player guys. Let's go. Tap player. 200 orang. Tolong love foreign dulu. Ini udah runut kok. Kirain. Iya. Tadi kan kita turun, jadi bin 16 kita.
Banjir, guys. Sawadee.
How was Thailand, Nasty?
Oh my god, I love Thailand. I lived before in Thailand for 2 years. And
Oh, yeah?
I've been 2 years.
Yeah?
Yes, I lived in Thailand for 2 years before. In Phuket 6 months, in Bangkok 1.5 years, and in Samui 1 month too.
May I ask how old are you?
I'm 27.
Oh, okay.
What about
You
you?
look-
How old are you?
I'm 21.
Really? Okay. So young.
Yeah, you look much more younger.
Yes. Everybody told me about that.
Yeah, maybe
I
like
know.
23, yeah.
Yes.
Guys, everybody for roses, we need for roses. Bus M27. Guys, we need one rose from 3 people, guys. Everybody.
Tim mawar kalian terbaik.
Guys, everybody, we need one rose from 4 people, guys. Everybody, one person rose, one person rose. We need one rose from everybody. Guys, everybody, we need one rose from everybody. Guys, we need one rose from everybody. Nobody. Oh my god, it's my first time to see. Guys, we need.
What happened?
God. It's a little bit strange.
What?
I put you 21. No, I'm 27. I'm 27. I'm 27. Oh my god,
Triple
thank you
semuanya.
everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you for roses. Thank you.
Yeah,
I'm
same.
a bit late.
Triple guys, teman-temanku, kawan-kawanku.
That's triple.
Kata Nia, thank you. Di Turki sekarang jam 6:30 malam. Sore. Wait sebentar guys. Yes. Kita jalan-jalan di sini guys. Jalan-jalan di sini. Enak di sini.
Guys, please don't forget double tap your screen, double tap your screen. Let's go right now, everybody. Double tap, double tap. We need lots of likes. Please, everybody. Thank you for following me, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Welcome. How are you feeling? How are you?
Kalau ada glow siap-siap ujung iya. Mereka sama ya?
How are you? I get back at home.
Tap
Do you
tap
like
layar.
the movie? Of course I like. Of course I like movie. Of course.
Tap tap layar teman-temanku ya.
You're home?
Fokus tap
Yes,
tap
right
layar.
now I'm at home. Yes, right now I'm at home. I'm so happy to be at home. But I saw Miss Sultan is ready. And you welcome. How are you? But I really saw Miss Thailand.
Kalau biasanya ujung mereka nanti gimana ya? Coba ya.
Thank you for joining. How are you feeling? No all? What? No all?
Kak Tania
What
makasih.
do you mean? What do you mean?
Mande terima kasih.
Oh, thank you. Terima kasih banyak. Thank you so much.
Nice.
Kegnan, thank you for joining. Thank you, Anju. Terima kasih.
Kak Tania, Mande, terima kasih. Mas Awan, thank you. Nasiwa, thank you ya.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you.
Bye bye.
See you. Oh my god.
Coba bayar dulu. Pardon, ödemeleri buraya getiriyor musun yoksa oradan mı ödeniyor? Okay. Coba sebentar guys. Sebentar. Wait. Sebentar. Pakai dulu baju HP, pakai baju HP. Oke. Apakah kalian bisa dengar aku atau tidak? Oke, kita nggak ada lupa. Kalau foto di sini cantik dong. Tamam, teşekkür. Hai. Aha, tamam, göndereceğim. Yok, kolay gelsin. Kalau foto di sini lucu deh. Wow, outfitku hari ini guys. Kalian harus lihat outfitku hari ini kayak anak cowok. Coba lihat tuh. Wow. Apa ini? Perfect. Cantik kalau foto di sini dah. Gimana ya? Bikin story nggak ya? Nggak jadi deh. Nggak jadi, besok aja. Tapi jam segini di sini ada sunsetnya lucu. Jadi agak rame juga. Enak di sini. Wow. Ada kuda di situ. Kuda. Aku suka banget kuda, guys. Cahaya bagus banget. Gak jelas. Kalau duduk aku gak lucu cahayanya. Kalau di sini mah aku ada orang aku. Ini ngapain sih itu? What are you doing tuh, Bang? Jalan-jalan sama kalian. Aku sendiri, jadi jalan-jalannya sama kalian aja. Nggak tahu, TikTok ini filternya jelek banget, bikin muka aku kayak gini. Tuh apa ini? Apa ini? Nggak jelas banget filter ini. Nggak bisa hapus juga. Nggak tahu. TikTok lagi error apa? Ada apa ini? Nggak jelas. Nggak lucu. Di sini cantik guys. Coba aku kasih lihat kalian ya. Tuh, blur ini. Kenapa blur? Tuh. Blur tuh. Kenapa ya? Nggak tahu. Aku masuk ke ini TikTok lagi error. Saya tak suka. Ini juga rusak. Eskalatornya rusak guys. Coba di lantai atas. Iya. Ini mallnya agak kecil, tapi ya nggak apa-apa. Itu aja. My nose is not so red, guys. My nose is not so red. It's normal red. Normal blush. Aina nggak tahu Aina apa. Lampu-lampunya belum nyala. Iya. Belum. Hola. Kita ngapain ya? Nggak tahu. Bosan aku. Ya, harusnya sama teman di sini. Sama teman ngapain kita? Ya mall aja bosan. Sekarang aku nggak tahu kenapa aku harus selain mau gym. Kayak ada apa? Nggak tahu, tapi malah ini lucu. Tapi decoration yang ini mungkin udah 2 tahun masih sama aja decorationnya. Kayak aneh. Salam dari Malaysia, selamat Malaysia. Aku mau kasih lihat kalian ada store ada store ini namanya batik. Nak pergi mana lagi lah tuh baspilnya. Mallnya macam PIM. Enggak kok, PIM besar. Ini kecil. Ini mungkin yang paling kecil mall di ya ampun. Yay. Nah, ini store. Ini batik, guys. Yay. Tuh, kan batik. Mereka jual apa ya? Coba kita lihat. Lihat aku. Yay. Jual kayak gini, blus, shorts, nggak cocok aku. Aksesoris nggak suka. Shorts lagi. Ada duster. Apa itu? Nggak cocok. Batik. Store batik ini nggak cocok aku. Namanya aja batik. Di dalam nggak ada batik. I from Vietnam. I from Turkey. Aku tersimpan setiap kenangan. Kalau di Turki artinya apa? Batik gak ada artinya. Batik gak ada. Aku nggak tahu mereka kenapa namanya batik. Tsetsau. Aku nggak suka brand-brand ini. Ini semua kayak cowok Kolombia cowok, Lufian cowok, muda cowok, US Polo cowok, Mavi juga. Coba aku kasih lihat kalian gantengnya Turki ya. Dia ini gantengnya Turki. Orang yang paling ganteng di Turki. Ih, keren banget dia. Ganteng banget. Nah, itu dia guys. Kita coba post bareng. Ganteng dia. Gimana tempat favorit di Istanbul apa tuh? Aku nggak tahu. Aku nggak ada karena kalau aku sendiri aku nggak ada tempat favorit. Harusnya ada teman. Kalau ada teman, semua tempat favorit aku. Wow, kita main nggak ya?